Hi, this is Monique Weisgerber here. This video is about layers and folders, and I'm going to show you how this can keep you organized. So I'm just going to start out with a new default Photoshop size document. Right away we get a background. If you want to make this a layer, you can just unlock it. This then changes it to a layer and you can rename it. If you still want it to call background, you double click and type. If you want to add a new layer, you click this button right here, the one that looks like it has a page curl. That'll give you a new layer. Again, if you want to rename it, double click. So I'm just going to start with a color layer. I'm just going to pick a random brush and make some splatters. This will just add an effect. Alright, so now we have one layer. If we want to group these two layers, we can make a group. So this little folder here, let's name this back. Click down Shift and click the other one, drag and drop into the back folder, and now you can see this is how you keep organized. Now I'm going to show you how to add text. So let's click the text tool. It's this T right here. Click and then click on your canvas and you can start typing. So I'm just going to type some random words. So you can see that as soon as I clicked on the background, a new layer came up and it's a text layer. That's why it has a T here. So if I want another one, I'll just go to my move tool, decide where I want that word, click the T, click again, just some random words. And if I want to go faster, I can click new, hold down Shift, click color, hit Command J to duplicate, and now we have 4 words. So if I click the color copy, you can just drag away, click the new copy, drag away, and if I want to rename these, I can double click the T, and this highlights your text. So if you want to change the color, you can do so. If you want to change the font, you can do so, and the size. And you can even change the type even though it's a copy. Alright, so now these are on their own layers. You can move them freely. You have to click the layer and then you can move the word. Click the layer and then you can move the word. So to go a little bit more in depth, if I want a word to say pink, I'll click color. This is just a simple way. Command J to copy, double click the T, write the word pink, drag it away from its original, double click to change the color, and you can use the swatch up here to click and then pick pink, and then you can pick the shade that you want. So let's say we wanted to have more than one word bundle. Click red, click shift, click color. That'll select all of your text layers. Click the group folder and it adds it into a group. So you can say word 1. Let's say we want this over here. We can go Command J to duplicate, and now we have 2. So instead of having to move each individual word over here, it's just easier to make a group and copy the whole group. Let's say you only wanted one group. You didn't like the 2. So instead of having to delete every single new text layer, you can just click the layer, click delete on your keyboard, and it's gone. So that's working with folders and layers. You'll continue to see this in my other videos. This is just the basics, and it's very important to stay organized with your layers and your folders and name them properly. This will keep you sane when you want to work on bigger projects. Alright, thanks for watching.